Welcome to our guide on military discounts. These exclusive offers are not just savings, they express our gratitude to service members and their families. Many stores offer military discounts, but it's important to understand the eligibility criteria. Typically, active duty, veterans, and their families qualify. The verification process is straightforward and ensures that you can access those valuable discounts without hassle. Step 1 is gathering your documents. This may include your military ID, DD Form 214, or other official papers. Next, you need to choose a verification service. Research options that suit your needs and ensure they are reputable. Now it's time to submit your verification request. Fill in any necessary information and upload your documents. Once your request is approved, you'll receive a confirmation. Check your email for this important message. For in-store purchases, simply show your verification at the checkout. Enjoy the savings. When ordering online, enter your verification code at checkout to apply your discount immediately. To maximize your discounts, keep an eye out for seasonal sales and promotions that align with your military status.